This is a 1963 Ford Thunderbird, and a beautiful one indeed. It has a 390 cubic inch engine, and in the windshield there's a list of the equipment that it has. See, everything is in perfect condition here under the hood, of course air conditioning. And what's interesting about this Thunderbird is that it has a tonneau cover, which gives you the appearance of a two-seater. Look at those wire wheels, aren't they beautiful? Yes, it looks like a two-seater, but it's actually, under that tonneau cover are another two seats, like all T-Birds. There's the equipment. Beautiful blue upholstery. There's that tonneau cover, and the way it is configured, the top lowers below the rear panel, so it's a very smooth look to the car. And this looks like a kind of like a cockpit design here. Notice the swing away wheel, and you can see the air conditioning vents there. And of course it has the console. And of course that tonneau cover is removable. There are the famous round tail lights, and there you see the entry point for the gas tank and the bumper. A very, very light blue. And you see a fin. Not much of a fin, but a fin nonetheless. There are a lot of people crowded around this car, and they're very interested in it. And no wonder. We've got hash marks on the bottom panel there. Very nice car.